This is how to clone any website in 1 minute. So for this video tutorial, we'll be using this particular Bitcoin mining website. As you can see, this is a fully function Bitcoin crypto mining website. So to clone this website, you have to go to this particular website, ndcx.online/clone. So make sure you go to this particular website, then click on start cloning. So once you click on start cloning, it will direct you to a Telegram bot. As you can see, this is the bot. Click on start, then you see send the website link. So you copy the website that you want to clone, any website, copy it, then paste it on the Telegram bot, then enter. As you can see, copy the website. Click on copy to start processing your request. So download is ready. So the next step is to download the zip file of the website. Download the zip. As you can see, it's downloaded. Then go to your cPanel or direct admin. So I'm using direct admin. Go to your direct admin there or cPanel. Locate the website you want to upload it to. So for this tutorial, let me create a folder. Let me name it new clone website. I did a video before. I guess some people were finding it hard. They were asking me where they can get direct admin or cPanel. So you can go to any hosts to get your cPanel or direct admin. So we are going to upload the zip file here. Click it, then upload the zip file that we got from that Telegram bot. So after uploading, the next step is to extract. Click on option, click on extract, and extract it to the particular domain that you want your clone site to be in. So as you can see, we are done. So let's check this particular website to check if our clone site is ready. richboytech.com/new clone website. Click on enter. Voila, as you can see, we just cloned that particular website. So pay attention on the URL. As you can see, pay attention on the link. You can see this one is richboytech/new clone website, and this is I will show you the website we just cloned from. You can see everything is functioning. So this is the website we just cloned, financialstacktrading.net. We cloned this website to richboytech/new clone website. As you can see, it's functioning. Do well to like, share, and subscribe, and check out other videos on my channel. And if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. Thank you.